I'm here to present the project area 6, that is structures, and its particular project design 6.4, that is to improve the access towards better road structures. When we talk about the needs and problems of the people, so we come to know that during the rainy season, most of the roads become muddy and they can't be used anymore, and that is a major obstacle for the students and the other people's going to work or to the schools. So what do we need to provide? We need to provide sustainable roads at a low budget. They can be temporary or permanent, and we also need to provide some solutions or some ways of maintaining those roads. So in order to construct low budget roads, we will need to take care of the labor force, we will need to take care of the material available. And according to the common sense, if we utilize the local material available in that area, that can decrease the cost of that road. So if we take an overview of the local material available in Punjab, so we come to know that we have wood available, we have some gravel available, we also have bamboo available, and on the other hand, we have some stones available, or we can take some sand from the river bed. When we talk about the stakeholders, the most prominent name is of RS Group and the EWB, Engineers Without Borders. RS Group and Engineers Without Borders have collaborated together for 3 years, where RS Group provides consistent financial support towards EWB and its project, that is EWB Challenge, in order to provide some sustainable solutions towards the problems being faced. Moreover, RS Group is aligned with the United Nations Development Goals, and it is working towards providing a chance to young entrepreneurs or young engineers so that they can provide a design or maybe a solution towards solving those obstacles or solving those problems being faced by the citizens in that area. WWF has played a major role in that area. They have changed the thinking of the people. They are providing constant education, like they were working on consistent or sustainable earning by providing livestock to the people. So that's one example how the WWF Cambodia is working there. So when we talk about the design of the road, so we will design a road in 3 different steps, or you can say we will construct the road with 3 basic layers. When we talk about the base layer, we will construct the base layer fully with stones. We will place the stones on the land in a compact way, so there is no space left for the gravel or the mud. This will help the road bear the heavy load of the machinery or the vehicles moving above. When we talk about the second layer, that's where the innovation comes into play. We will use geotextile fabrics. We will also utilize engineering plastic meshes for it. This will help stabilize the soil and will prevent soil erosion. That's where the major problem is caused. When it rains or when floods come, most of the soil is eroded and the roads are damaged and it causes mud. By adding those geotextile fabrics and engineering plastic meshes, we will be able to solve that problem. When we talk about the top layer, we will construct it with just a thin layer of gravel, or maybe mixing it with mud, but as gravel is readily available, so we will utilize it for constructing that top layer, and that's how our road will be completed. When we talk about the maintenance of the road, so that's quite easy now. Whenever we see a pothole created in the road, we will simply put some stones in it and then cover it with a gravel. So now we need to design the drainage system as well in order to solve that problem. So I have got several of things for it. Firstly, we will construct a road in a crossfall way. We will construct the major part of the road in an inclined way. So whenever it rains or whenever water comes, it will slide down towards the sides. And for the side parts, we will construct side ditches, which will be able to store some water, and that water may be utilized for agricultural purposes. If the ditches become full of water, we will also use culverts behind the road or below the road, So the water can be carried away, excess water can be carried away from with the help of the culverts. And in order to make our road more safer, we can use high embankments, we can build the road on a higher level, so it would be saved from the water from other ways as well. Thank you.